Now, we realize one result of the slavery around the world, time by time, the discrimination. Firstly, what is it when someone makes a distinction for or against a person on the basis of the group or class to which a person belongs? It is a definition, of course, of a dictionary, but it is true. In that sense, slavery was the door that opened many ways to discriminate. For instance, judge by the social status, gender, race, place of origin, and dwelling place. Secondly, as Thomas Sowell said, today it seems obvious, just as Abraham Lincoln says, if slavery is not wrong, nothing is wrong. But the hard fact is that for thousands of years, slavery was simply not an issue, even among the great religious thinkers and moral philosophers of civilization around the world. Clearly, slavery was not a problem, as discrimination apparently isn't today. The life continues without looking, and it is risky, in our opinion. Regardless of the words of Abraham Lincoln mentioned by Sowell previously, it's necessary to put those Lincoln words in context. He said it in a conversation that had with three Kentuckians, one called Governor Thomas, the second Albert Hodges, and the third one Archibald Dixon. And he declared, I am naturally anti-slavery, because he created an Emancipation Proclamation that consists of freedom to a slave. But the dilemma is, what the background of that? Well, the country had a necessity of military force, and a good option was them, the slaves. Thirdly, before, race became the most visible difference between slaves and slaves owner in the Western Hemisphere. As a result of it, exists kind of discriminations. Please look this. Well, this is an article, the 20th, of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It shows an ideal, but reality shows us many differences, and those as problems for the society. We do not respect the difference. We hate it. People pretend that everyone should be equal, and we are not. Some difference belong in excuses to discriminate and infringe and damage other human beings. As you see, it is one of the point of view that is the law, but I want to show you the other. According to the data of the Ministry of the Interior in the country, there are 737 investigations for discrimination. 443 investigations are by race or religion. 50% of cases due to discrimination occur in Bogota. 64% of cases of discrimination are still in process in the offices of the Attorney General of the nation. 17% of the cases are directed to the woman, and 79% to men, and 2% to the Afro and LGBTI population, and 12% to groups that include both men and women. For those reasons, slavery permits that one violates other. And now we continue in that line. We make fun someone who is too fat, or if he speaks with his or her accent, or if it is woman or men, or if someone is in a condition of this place. And I continue to mention others, but do not forget, slavery was the door for it.